on the elevator. People stack like skyscrapers. Nervous that they'll never find an answer, so they make a lot of plans for later. It's a war zone in the morning when I wake up to the same old story. I wonder if it all gets boring. Then I realize, man, it's not that serious. Life is just a game, nobody's to blame. No one's keeping score, you don't have to know what you're doing. You're already there, nobody's to care. There's no reward, you don't have to know what you're doing. Why am I so afraid of failing? Why am I so obsessed with prevailing? And am I my own worst enemy? Or am I just not in the mood? Do I need to be a millionaire? Do I need to own a private island? Do I need to have my name in lights? Maybe I'll just watch cartoons. Life is just a game, nobody's to blame. No one's keeping score, you don't have to know what you're doing. You're already there, nobody's to care. There's no reward, you don't have to know what you're doing. Don't you know you make the rules, and you can break them too? So what you gonna do? Life's just a game, nobody's to blame. No one's keeping score, you don't have to know what you're doing. I'm already there, nobody's to care. There's no reward, you don't have to know what you're doing. Faded photos in my mind, they flicker, glitch, then realign. Every smile you left behind cut sharper every time. I breathe but it won't stay. Your shadow slips away. I hold it like it's safe, but it's breaking anyway. Running in a circle, never reaching you. Every trace is fragile, every sound is proof. I'm lost inside a memory. It plays but won't set me free. Every frame is tearing